Hello there beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to slay this lace frontal. Now this wig is by a company called Admyhair and this is 22 inches with a 150% hair density. The wig has a 13 by 6 inch lace frontal with baby hairs, bleached knots and the edges are pre-plucked guys. This is the full package. The hair is of good quality, it's so smooth and silky. I definitely recommend this hair company to a friend. All the information on this unit and the details of Admyhair is in the description box below. Don't forget to put a thumbs up on this video and hit that subscribe button on your way out. Keep on watching. So we're going to start off with the headstand. This was $2.99 from Afro Cosmetics and the clump was $4.99. Now the hair that I have today is from a company called Admyhair. I've thrown the box away but I've kept the bag. And when you open the bag, the hair comes in a hairnet, so that's good as well. This is the hair, it's so soft and silky, it's 22 inches and you can feel the thickness. You can see the lace has not been cut. They have 2 combs on each side and 1 in the middle for extra support and the straps at the back. The knots are pre-bleached and the edges are pre-plucked and they come with baby hairs, so that's good. So now we're going to take some hairpins and secure them onto the wig at the front of the hairline. Now we're going to push the hair back and get it out the way. Some people like to use mousse, but I'm going to use water. Now we're going to take a hairbrush to brush the hair back and clip it out of the way so we can cut the lace. Now we are ready to cut the lace. I have bought some professional scissors. It's called Edward Jacob and it was $14.99 from Pax. It was quite expensive but it's good investment. We are also going to need some hair clips to clip the hair out of the way for when we're cutting the lace. Okay, so now let's begin. We're going to start off with cutting the lace off on the sides and getting rid of those bits first. Now we come to the front. I'm going to cut the lace as close to the hairline as possible. Then when I put it on my head, I can adjust it and see if I need to cut the lace any further. Now we're going to turn her around and clip the hair up and cut the lace off at the back. Okay, so we have cut all the lace off and now we have the baby hairs. They're so cute. So first we're going to take the Gots to Be glue and the lollipop stick. We're going to put little bits on the stick and just apply that in front of the hairline. Like so. And now I'm just going to allow that to dry. I do have a fan in front of me and that shall speed up the process, okay? One thing I forgot to mention is I'm actually going to add the Gots to Be glue to my peppercorns. I don't need to use I'm not going to use the stick for this, I'm just going to use my fingertips. So now we are dry. It's not too dry, it's just tacky enough for it to stick to my wig cap. So we're going to place my wig cap on now. From the back to the front. Just going to put the front just before where we've glued it. Okay. So now we have the wig cap on. We are going to use the Gots to Be hairspray just to secure the cap. And we're going to spray it same place where we put the glue in front of the hairline. Okay, so now the glue and the hairspray is dry. We are ready to cut my wig cap.
So let's start in the middle. Okay. And we're just gonna cut just in front of the hairline. And we're going to do it really close to the scalp, guys. Okay, so now the wig cut is on and I've cut it. We are going to go in again with the Got To Be glue. And we're just going to blend where I've cut the lace. I'm going to put some foundation on. I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix fluid and a beauty blender. The hairline, just to blend that all in and make it look like skin. Okay, so now I have done everything. I look like I've cut all my hair off. We're going to place the wig on top of my head. So we've cut the lace, but we're going to adjust it when we put it on the head. So we're going to adjust the straps at the back. I've got a small head, so I'm going to put it on the last strap. So that's the tightest. And we're going to, it's got some combs, but I'm not going to use the combs because I've got the cap on. Okay, so we have the unit on and it's nice and snug. So we're just going to measure it and check that we've cut enough of the lace. So I'll clip that to one side.
So now I'm going to take my Got To Be hairspray and spray that in front of the hairline on one side first. I'd like to use a tail comb to do this because it keeps it nice and tidy. Then I take my hairspray to lay down the rest of the edges. I take my fan to dry it out. Then I put it back into place, securing the unit with my brush and my tail comb, and making sure it's laid down properly. Now we pack away the hair, ready to begin our baby hairs. I'm going to take some mousse and a toothbrush to, apply that all over the front of the hairline. I like to go in with the brush again just to get rid of any flyaways and pack it up into a bun. So now I take some more mousse onto my toothbrush and I begin to style my baby hairs.
Yes, babes, that looks banging. Wow.
I'm glad I went up 5 in.
Yeah, say no more. Give me 5 already.
Look at me, I'm so gassed. Okay, back to my baby hair. So I'm just going to style the rest of my baby hairs and make them look as natural as possible. I like to take time on my edges because in my opinion I feel that's what makes the wig look natural. So now we're going to take a headscarf to hold the baby hairs into place for a while.
So it's been about 10 minutes. I'm going to take my headscarf off now, if I can, because the knot is tight. Here we go. Okay, now we're just going to brush that out and make it look natural.
So again, that was to make sure that the baby hairs are laid down flat and they're not going to move. So yeah, I'm just brushing it out to make it look natural, and that is that.
Okay, now I'm going to brush the hair. And we're going to add some sheen. This is how I slay my lace frontal. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!